Hi, this is my review of the S16874SPIX electric single oven in stainless steel. So I had this delivered the other day from AO.com, and I must say I was really very impressed with the service and the delivery of them. So I chose a day that was convenient for me, and they gave me a call about 8 o'clock in the morning to arrange an hour time slot which it was delivered in. So I'm really pleased with this oven. I think it's got a really modern finish. As you can see, my kitchen's quite traditional, and I think it gives it a real modern freshness, so I'm really very happy with it. It's got a lovely glass reflective finish, and you can see here that the controls are all done digitally. Okay, so let's have a look at how the oven is operated. So as you can see, it's a digital display, and these are touchscreen controls. So first of all, we use this to switch the oven on. That also automatically switches the light on as well. So you've got automatic or manual settings. So we'll go through the manual settings. The first one being conventional oven. So if we press manual again, it takes you to convection bake. So that is for cakes, and you can also use that for large joints of meat as well. Then we've got forced air, so that is effectively a fan oven. Then we've got the grill, which is obviously for grilling. And then we've got the turbo grill, so that's for grilling maybe larger pieces of meat or fish, and to grill more quickly. And then we've got the fast preheating. So there is a preheating option on this oven, and that is the fast version. And then you've got eco forced, which is, like I say, the forced air, which is the fan oven, and that's the eco version. Then we've got pyro. So this is interesting. This is a self-cleaning oven. So this is the setting that you use that will heat the oven to a high temperature and effectively burn all that nasty grease off there. And then settings. So this is where you can change all your settings. So the clock, for example, and your language settings there as well. So if we now have a look at auto, these are automatic settings based on weight and temperature. So that is your meat automatic setting. Poultry, and you can see that the temperature's changing as I'm flicking through these. This is for casseroles and also suitable for things like lasagna and pasta dishes. This is your bread setting. This is for pizzas. It will cook both frozen and fresh pizzas. This is for pastry and for cakes. This is interesting as well. This is for use for proving dough and for rising agents. And this is if you just want to keep something warm. So this is the warm keeping option. So if you're cooking something else and you've got something that you just want to keep warm while everything else is ready. And then the final one on automatic is slow cooking. So that's obviously for slow cooking joints of meat or casseroles. So let's have a look then at setting one up. So we'll go for a manual conventional cooking. So you can see there that it's classed at 200 degrees at the minute. So we can change that by selecting this here. As you can see, it will start flashing. Gives you the option to turn the heat up or turn the heat down. So we'll go for 190. Then we press OK to select it, and you can see this small clock flashing. So it's asking you to set a timer. So again, you can use these buttons for setting the minutes up and down. So let's go for 2 minutes. So you press OK to select that, and then to set the oven going, you actually press this button here. Now this oven is set with a pre-warming or preheating option. So every time you set the oven to cook, it will preheat it. So that's so you can put your meals in at the optimum time for cooking. So you can see that the display is really easy to use. And it's also very easy to keep clean. My old model had control knobs, and they were very difficult to keep clean. You can see with this, you can just wipe it with a soft cloth. So stylish and practical. Okay, so let's take a look inside. So the oven is open by just purely pulling this down. That will automatically put the light on. So you can see inside it's very roomy. It comes with a number of different accessories. So it comes here with a wire tray. I would have preferred 2 wire trays, but maybe that's just me being greedy. Then we've got a drip tray and a grill pan accessory, and at the bottom here we've got a baking tray. You can see that there are 5 different shelf guides here, and these are really easily moved in and out. Also, another special feature of this is this little gadget here. So this is an accessory for a spit accessory for poultry or for joints of meat. So basically you can rotisserie your own chicken, whole chicken, and this just slots in to a little thing at the back there, and you can have your own rotisserie chicken. So we've not used this yet, and we can't wait to give it a go. You can see also that this has a slow close facility, which is also pretty sleek. So it's a really good looking model. As you can see, it's quite reflective and really very simple to keep clean and just wipe clean. So the oven comes with a really useful daily reference guide, which gives you all the information that you need to start off and also for cooking with the oven. Gives you all the details on the accessories and functions, and it's really quite simple because, as you can see, there's illustrations along with each of the instructions. Also gives you here at the back a cooking table, and that tells you the settings and what the accessories are that you'll need for everyday cooking. So that's really useful.